Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple old gardener's trick that can make your tomato plant stronger and more productive. Before planting my tomato seedlings, I prepare the holes about 10 centimeters deep. Tomatoes love deep planting because it helps them develop strong roots. I also keep a distance of about 40 centimeters between each plant so they have enough space to grow. Now here's the secret ingredient. I add a small amount of coffee grounds into each hole. It's a natural fertilizer rich in nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. It improves soil structure, helps retain moisture, and supports faster, healthier growth. Make sure to mix the coffee grounds well with the soil so the nutrients reach the roots properly. Next, I plant the tomato plants deeper. Tomato plants can grow roots along their buried stem, which makes them stronger and more stable. After placing the plant, I gently press the soil around it to remove air pockets and help the roots settle. Always plant tomatoes after the risk of frost is gone. Finally, I water the plants well. Here I'm using natural nettle fertilizer to give them an extra boost. This simple method helps tomatoes grow faster, stronger, and produce more fruit throughout the season.